Hey you guys, okay, so I got this on Amazon, the Medion Director C 2.4 gigahertz wireless combo keyboard and mouse, purely because it was ergonomic, and I wanted to try to go fully ergonomic because I do a lot of social media and marketing. You guys, the instructions don't get any simpler than that, honestly. Step 1 through step 4, and even has tech support. So yeah, I really like this. Okay, so as I get into the bag, they come with the user manual. They come with both of these options, USB-C, the cord, and of course, I thought this was super cool. The fact that it is a combo, so the ergonomic mouse. Very, very cool. Very, very cool. That's gonna feel so amazing. And of course, let's not forget the keyboard. Already I can tell I'm gonna love this keyboard. And super cool that they gave me a mouse pad included. Medion, you are not ordinary. You are born to stand out. I agree. So it's super cool because this is obviously super ergonomic. It comes with various ways to connect to 3 different options: your desktop, laptop, cell phone, or in this case, my husband's other laptop. He's probably going to try and take this one and test it out. But I can already tell you that just having that slant makes my wrist feel better, both up and to the side, rather than just flat down. So I think I'm gonna love it. It is for a Mac as well as Windows, so and it said Android, so even though it doesn't show the listing for Mac stuff, that is why I bought it. When I unboxed it, here's what we are looking at. This is for the initial charge, so don't worry, it is wireless, but this is when it's out of the box. Now this, I noticed on the instruction manual, it shows that this is up inside the ergonomic mouse in here. It actually was not. It was actually in the box. They have it in a special place when you pull it out. So it actually makes it really easy for people to find if they were not looking for it under the mouse. So I just assumed that they haven't updated their instruction manual yet. So I just wanted to let you know that if you don't see that inside the mouse because the instruction manual says it's there, don't worry. You'll see it in the box. It comes with the box separately. You'll see these two together separately, and then you put them together so that it works. Anyway, I am pretty impressed. So overall, I would say grab it. I'm going to put the link in the description of where I got it from on Amazon, and I would love to hear from you guys if you enjoy an ergonomic mouse and keyboard, and let me know what type you got. But this one is a phenomenal price point, so it's worth getting. I say grab it.